Lason si pini ni pai krepo lakha kre trok nomati constituency arlu dena rong market hawar du kido Jingthong Ronghang English Higher Secondary School lalongta 78 India Independent Day talon ponsi pini ata por pioneer kebapor Jingthong Ronghang English Higher Secondary School lalong Principal Dhuneswar Teron Lapen and Vice Principal Pranab Bhagwati atum lamain thur ponsi teaching staff lapen non teaching staff lapen ke student kido anatumta National Anthem Alunjir Mate Independent Day Patriotics Alunjir Isi Lun Ponlo National Anthem Alunjir Lun Deadpen CR English Higher Secondary School Principal Dhaneswar Teron Lapen Teachers Kedo Anatum Bini India Independent Day Katalon Pon Aputhak Student Kedo Anatum Aphastame Than Pachini Ponlo Parakhoa Pen Pansingrong Pi Report Karbianglong TV9 News
I would like to thank to our dear sir who gave me this opportunity to give you my speech. I do not know anything about today's occasion, but unfortunately he requests me to give the speech. So, my dear students, today all we know that why we gathering here. Because today is the 15th August, we all know that why this 15th August is observed. Because till today, 78 years completed that Independence Day of our country, that we are free, our country, that India is free from the British rule. So for that purpose, we observing till now about the 15th August as Independence.
As we all know, today is a very, very special day for all of us, for all Indian citizens. Not only in India, even the citizens of India who are in abroad, they are also celebrating Indian 58th Independence Day. So, we are proud of our country, we are Indian. So, as in my previous speaker, your respected headmaster, assistant headmaster, as well as teachers, ma'am, has given their valuable speech. And now, I will not make my speech long. And on this special occasion, I would like to wish you all the best for this beautiful gathering to celebrate our 78th Indian independence, and this is a symbol, or it is an honor, respect to our freedom fighter who fought during the freedom movement. So we all know why we are gathering, and on this special occasion or special day, as a 78th Independence Day, I would like to say that we are Indian and we should be kind, we should be respect, we should be sincere to build Indian future as we are gathering here every day. As I think and all of you know, this is the finest place for all of us, because the place where we are standing every day and now, it is the place for human resource development, where we learn education, we learn for a bright future. We are working here unitedly, students, teachers, all of us, for the futures of our country. So it is a beautiful place, as we do believe for every religion. The place where we worship is also one of the finest places. But this place, this is an educational institution when there is no question of caste, religion, he and she, black and white, everything, no question. We are here together for every day for our education, for our future, for our nation. So the place where I would like to repeat one again, the place where we are standing right now is a place of human resource and development. So this is a very, very important place, and like this,
on this day of 1947, India became independent from the British rule after a long movement. And since then, India has been celebrating Independence Day on 15 August of every year. Today is also all over India is going to celebrate this auspicious occasion.